Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, it's Bub here, and this is my 2023 channel recap. That seems shorter than Windows Vista's setup, I'm not sure why. Windows 8.1 came out in 2013 as Microsoft's attempt to kind of fix what they messed up in Windows 8. So a pretty feature-packed bar on the bottom, I would say. Alright, so here we are in Tiny 10. I almost said Tiny 11 again. So in terms of applications, we have our typical accessibility that comes with Windows. And here we go. We are now able to run through the setup of the Galaxy S23. Makes me wonder, what's really in Tiny 10 and 11? And here we are inside of Windows XP. And by that, I mean Windows Freestyle. We can see this looks pretty much very similar to... I think that the Windows 7 VMware tools is the same as the... Well, actually, you know what? It may not be that bad. Alright, let's take a look at what's on the desktop. Last time when I did this on Tiny 11 and Tiny 10, people criticized the fact that, oh my god, he only ran a Malwarebytes scan, big deal. I don't believe this came with Windows Vista or 7. So like I said, Windows updates are probably going to end up breaking stuff.
Now let's talk about some of Windows 8's great points.
Totally misunderstood this. This is totally my fault. We have to pick what edition we want. Alright, so that was a little weird, but wow. Okay. Alright, this booted on 364 megs of RAM. Movie Maker. I feel like all of these last 5 could be removed. The next update comes to live captions, 19044. So, the dashboard is replaced instead of Finder if you get the chance, which I do get a lot of ISOs from archive.org. So, if something doesn't work, please do not go in the comments and say, oh my god, this doesn't work. Write a story about Windows 11. I guess we'll just call ourselves Minecraft things are actually working here. Drive and scan also wasn't there. Teams, I mean, I'm not really sure why try and make Windows better. Look, even VMware doesn't like it. It is what it is. Going down. So let's just see, we are 22H2. I guess we can put things on the bar as well, like that. To be completely honest with you. As well as we also have like the panel over here. Huge security risk, but you know, 2010, security is the least of their concern. You do have built-in virus and threat protection straight out of the box. And miscellaneous. And this is all themed to be Windows 11. Network, which is just... it is going to name our system Apple, and we're just going to call it Mac, you know, modern day web pages. Like if I were to go to youtube.com, obviously you can't implement the Windows 8 settings. We have a battery icon, which is automatic sleep and screen locking. Let's see what this power plant actually does. Website. This OS is exactly as it comes from the ISO. Looks very much like Windows 7, just from the original first impression of it. Windows 11 actually is, and the whole OS just feels really snappy. Although it is a little bit glitched. Next, we have a cloud on this system, which gives you personalized support for Ubuntu system, PowerShell. This should open, Ethernet. So you go to google.com. And that was my 2023 channel recap. This year was a very good year for my YouTube channel. We surpassed 9,000 subscribers and are currently just 200 away from 10,000. Furthermore, we surpassed 3.7 million total views on the YouTube channel. From the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you guys enough for supporting me along this journey. This upcoming 2024 year will be my 9th year on YouTube, so I've been around for longer than I could have ever imagined. And if you would have told me 9 years ago that I would have nearly 10,000 subscribers, I would have thought that you were crazy. It's really an incredible journey, and I can't thank you guys enough for supporting me along it and, you know, allowing me to actually do this every week. So with that being said, I hope you have a very good new year, and I hope that this year brings you everything that you've wanted. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe if you're new out here, as I do all kinds of different technology videos, as you could clearly see in this recap. And with that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.